Samsung S25 Quick Share feature, the fast and secure way to share files. Why you should use Quick Share on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Quick Share on the Samsung Galaxy S25 is a powerful and convenient feature for sharing files quickly and seamlessly. Here's why you should use it. Faster and more efficient file transfers. Quick Share uses Wi-Fi Direct and Bluetooth, enabling lightning-fast transfers compared to traditional methods like Bluetooth alone or cloud uploads. No internet required. Unlike cloud-based sharing, Quick Share works without an internet connection, making it perfect for offline transfers. Supports large files. You can send large files such as 4K videos and high-resolution photos without compression, preserving their original quality. Cross-device compatibility. Quick Share works across Samsung Galaxy devices, Windows PCs via Samsung's Quick Share app, and even some non-Samsung Android phones, making it more versatile than Apple's AirDrop. Secure sharing options. You can choose who can see and receive files, ensuring private and secure file sharing. Options include contacts-only trusted devices, everyone nearby for wider sharing, temporary sharing links for controlled access, multi-device sharing. Quick Share allows you to send files to multiple devices at once, saving time when sharing with friends or colleagues. Integration with Samsung ecosystem. Quick Share is integrated with Samsung's ecosystem, including Galaxy tablets, smart TVs, and Windows PCs for seamless workflow and entertainment. Enable Quick Share on a Samsung S25. Steps to enable Quick Share. Swipe down from the top of your screen with 2 fingers. Tap Quick Share. Select No One, Contacts Only, or Everyone. Tap Done. Note: No one, only your own devices can share with you. Contacts Only, only users saved in your contacts with Samsung accounts can share with you. Everyone can share with you. Share to nearby devices. Select the files you want to share and tap the share icon. Then tap the Quick Share icon. Select Share to devices nearby to show a list of nearby devices. Tap for one or several at once, and file sharing will automatically start. Make sure the nearby devices have their screens turned on, and that they have Quick Share turned on in the Quick panel with Contacts Only or Anyone Nearby selected. Or share files using a QR code. Even if the nearby devices aren't from Samsung, you can still share files through a QR code. Just tap the QR code icon and ask your friends to scan the code that shows up on your device. Files are sent to the recipient. The recipient will get a pop-up asking to accept the shared files. Tapping Accept on the pop-up will start the file transfer process. How to share to contacts. Select the files you want to share and tap the share icon. Then tap the Quick Share icon. Choose who to share with and start sharing. Choose a contact you want to share with in the Share to Contacts menu. Files are sent to the recipient. The recipient will get a notification asking to accept the shared files. Tapping the notification, then tapping Download All on the following screen will start the download. Requires a Samsung account and internet connection. If the recipients do not have a Samsung account, they will receive a text message with a link to download the files. Share files through private sharing. Use private sharing to ensure that the shared files are shown only on the recipient's device and accessible only within the expiration date. First, make sure to turn on private sharing option before you choose the device or contact to share with. Set the expiration date. The default expiration is set for 2 days, after which the recipient cannot open the shared file. You can set the expiration date to a maximum of 7 days. Choose the recipients. The recipients can tap Accept to download. Quick Share on PCs. Quick Share on PC lets you easily share files with nearby Galaxy devices and other PCs that have Quick Share installed. Download it from the Microsoft Store to start sharing. Open the Quick Share app. You can search for the app using the taskbar's search bar as well. Click the recipient's profile. File Explorer will pop up, and select Files to share. Select Open. The file will be shared with the recipients. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to stay updated on future content.